Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom. On 27 January 2025, my prediction was towards upside and my target was to break the previous top. But on that week, it was going upside but not well enough to break the previous top. What went wrong? We are not interested in sell setup. We are interested only in the buying setup. In coming weeks, we are expecting market to go high and break this top. Friends, now we are in the Nifty 50 weekly chart. After getting this impulsive move to the downside, we expect a three-wave corrective structure. On 27 Jan 2025, we predict that it will go to the top side and break this top. But on that week, we got a small up move. What went wrong? Friends, chart will never lie. The only thing is we did not see properly. Wave into a wave. What it means? Friends, only the structure only changed. After this impulsive move to the upside, we got this strong bullish candle. After that, we got this corrective structure, which is a running flat. We mark it as A, B and C. After this corrective structure, for this impulsive move to the downside, we got this impulsive move. Once we break this 23,800, we will mark it as A, B. For C, there is a two scenario. After getting this impulsive move to the downside, there will be a three-way corrective structure. If our structure is going to be as a running flat, then in coming weeks, Nifty can break its low once again. We will mark it as A, B and C and it will break the previous low. Or in the second scenario, after we got this impulsive move to the downside, we know we will get a corrective wave in the form of three-wave structure. We will mark it as A, B and C, which is a expanding flat. Friends, if market breaks the previous high, which is 23,807 and it cannot able to sustain, and if it is start coming down, we can predict market can break this low once again. Or Nifty can break the A-wave structure, which is 24,857 and create a expanding flat. After that, another impulsive move to the downside, but it cannot break the previous low, which is B. It can break the impulsive low, which is 23,263. If I am not clear, I will draw in the chart to make it clear once again. After we got this impulsive move to the downside, we got this up move and we mark it as A. After that, we got a wave into a wave. After this short move to the downside, we got this corrective wave. It came in the form of running flat. Another impulsive move to the downside. Once we break this high, we will consider this as a B wave structure and this C wave having a two scenario which can go and break this top once again. After that, it will be a sharp move to the downside which can break this low and the structure will be completed. In the form of running flat. This is the scenario 1. In scenario 2, we got this impulsive move. This is a corrective wave A, we make B and another wave, the C wave can go and break this previous high and the structure will be in the form of expanding flat. In this case, because we got this impulsive move, so we have to get another impulsive move. Another impulsive move will not break this low, it can break this low. So I think I was clear. Friends, now I am in the lower time frame, which is 4 hours time frame. Next week, anything we can see like this, we can expect a move to the up move. So next week, if we see any corrective wave like this, we can expect a move to the up move. So be careful, trade careful. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please do your research before trading. Friends, regarding the Bank Nifty index, after getting this impulsive move to the downside, we got a corrective wave which came in a form of expanding flat. Mark it as A, B, C. Next week, we expect a impulsive move to the downside which will break this low. Friends, Bank Nifty index, I am in the day chart. As we predict, we break the previous low. What next? Last week Bank Nifty index was awesome. Friends, once it break the previous high, it is a trend reversal. But go and start buying in this position, we may end in a loss position. It has to correct. There should be a corrective wave. Next week in the Bank Nifty, if the structure is clear to us, we will be in a buying side. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.